Welcome back to our PTE Academic Daily Challenge. Today, we're switching things up with a new task, retell lecture, from the speaking module. Here's today's audio. It's approximately 90 seconds long, so listen carefully. After the audio finishes, there will be a 10-second gap followed by a beep. Then, you'll have 40 seconds to summarize the lecture as accurately as possible. Ready, set, go.
Skydiving is an exhilarating experience that challenges your courage and pushes your limits. As a seasoned skydiver, I can confidently say that there's nothing quite like the thrill of jumping out of a plane at 10,000 feet and free-falling through the sky. The moment you leave the aircraft, you're instantly consumed by an intense rush of adrenaline as the wind rushes past your face and the ground appears to be rapidly approaching. It's an indescribable feeling that can only be experienced firsthand. As you descend through the sky, you'll begin to appreciate the incredible views and stunning scenery that surround you. You'll feel like you're flying as you glide through the air with the help of your parachute, and the feeling of freedom and weightlessness is truly liberating. Skydiving is not just a thrilling experience, it's also an incredibly empowering one. Overcoming your fears and taking the leap requires immense courage and mental fortitude, and the sense of accomplishment and confidence that comes with completing a successful jump is unparalleled. Of course, skydiving isn't for everyone, and it's important to take proper precautions and seek out professional training and guidance before attempting a jump. But for those who are up for the challenge, the thrills and rewards of skydiving are well worth the effort. So if you're ready to test your limits and experience the rush of a lifetime, take the leap and give skydiving a try.
Great job. Now it's time to check your answer. When you're done, please write your response in the comments. We'll be sharing the correct response in our next video, so make sure to like, share, and follow us on Instagram to stay updated. And if you want more help preparing for your PTE academic exam, don't forget to check out our course at PTE Academy. And now, for the answer to yesterday's describe image question. The correct response was:
The bar graph shows the number of tourist arrivals, in thousands, for 5 different countries in the year 2022. The countries included in the graph are the USA, Spain, France, Italy, and Thailand. According to the graph, Thailand has the highest number of tourist arrivals at 900, followed by the USA with 800, France with 600, Spain with 500, and Italy with 400. Based on the data in the graph, it can be concluded that Thailand is the most popular tourist destination among the 5 countries, followed closely by the USA.
Thanks for participating, and we'll see you tomorrow for another PTE Academic Daily Challenge.